I'll get one of these.
So this was supposed to be a simple tutorial on how to change a clutch. So this was supposed to be a simple tutorial of how to change a clutch pack, but it turned into an adventure. Welcome to On Two Wheels. So today I'm at Tushar's and we are changing his clutch. So we'll be changing his clutch plates, his friction plates and the springs as well. So right now, Tushar, how far have you gotten?
Not very far.
So far right now, Tushar has already got the patch plate off. A lot of progress. Is your oil change due though?
1500? Why not?
Yeah, okay. So it's not really necessary, but Tushar is going to change his oil while he's at it, just to make the job a little bit easier.
How fucked
So
is the oil?
Tushar has taken off 2 of the 3 drain bolts and yeah, learning a lesson of why the third one needs to come off.
Come on, Dilesh. It's just a bit of oil.
Oh, I haven't used that before. Where'd you get it?
I think Adventure Bike Australia.
So that sits on the outside.
Cover, yeah, on
okay.
the outside. Yeah. See, there's a fair bit of dust almost, like fine stuff.
Now you need to. You don't need to remove the whole thing, just undo this. That's good enough.
Oh yeah, what's that? Oh, that's a big.
So it's like it pivots around that. So
That's a big hex. I don't know if I have a hex that size. Do you have a hex that size? Oh, too big. I think that's it. Yeah.
okay. Yep.
Okay, fine, man, fine.
So the brake lever needs to come off first, just to make space.
That's where it comes in handy.
How pointy?
I think you might be able to take the whole thing off without removing the brake lever, but it's just going to be in your way the entire time. So
There we go.
it's not even just 2 different sizes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, please. Oh, jeez, Davin, really? Alright, don't go too fast. Let me go one at a time, so I don't get mixed up. Whoa! The big one.
Exactly, they're like very different sizes. This is 3, is it?
3.
Okay, here's number 3,
They're not even sized in.
4.
number 4,
5.
number 5. Hold on. Oh, okay, there's only 6, so it should be fine. 5,
6.
6.
There you go.
Is that marked on the case too?
Sorry?
Is it marked on the case?
Yeah. 1 was the very top, right?
Right, we can drop the bike on its side now.
Yep.
Prepare for some fuel leakage.
All right. I'll supervise.
Next.
All right. Good. Keep it that way. All right. So the bike is on its side.
There's leaking fuel. Place for everything.
Make sure that the hose coming out of the tank is pointing up so that you don't lose any fuel.
What? There was a trick to getting this off as well.
Nah, just there was one corner that over here.
Sort of flat.
Just put a okay. You don't need it. There you go.
Hold on, one sec. It's a 5mm, I think.
Yep.
I should have probably bought a spare, huh? Oh. It's looking pretty shitty. The springs
Yep.
come off.
So having a power driver helps for those. It's a long screw. Those are fine.
They're all the same. One thing explain to me, why do they replace the springs? Because
I don't think you need to replace the springs.
I mean, I've got them, so I might as well. But
Yeah.
there's a rationale behind it. Just chuck them in the. There we go. Okay, they look pretty short. Then again. Interesting. All right, now.
Yeah.
That's the cover.
Yep. Just pull it. You took one. Yeah, you took.
One friction plate out. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Look at that. Got a bit of bite in it.
Yeah.
What do you think? Oh, okay. All right. There we go. Next one. That looks
Actually,
sharp.
you can take everything at one go. Put your finger in.
The finger holes.
There you go.
Have a look.
Just
Okay, yeah, they're on their way out. These ones are. Feels like they've got some like. There's material on the pads, isn't there?
Yeah, not much.
Not on the bottom one. So maybe that's the.
marinated clutch pack.
Yeah. Compare the difference between these two.
Yeah.
Do you notice the difference?
Yeah, lots.
So mix them up.
No, the top can be mixed up. It's just the one bottom. See, this is slightly different.
Yeah.
So this one ring is different, so it goes at the bottom. Everything else is the same.
All the new ones though? Okay, so.
Yeah, these are the new ones.
There's the bottom one.
This.
All,
Those are fine.
all the identical, aren't they?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, one. There we go. One friction. Wait. Friction. Relaxing job.
There's only 7.
So was I.
So those catch on the outer loop, and the metal ones catch on the inner loop, or the gear.
Hope I got the right one on the bottom. Not going back.
And
Wouldn't have fit otherwise.
That is the climber manual.
When installing the last friction plate, offset the plate 1 notch in the housing. The last plate needs to be offset.
It's a good thing we have the manual here. Japan. 8,000 kilometers ago, I think.
Yep.
Do we need impact drive?
Yeah.
No, I don't think we do. Give me that.
it's a lot of twisting.
Okay, man.
I would have. Okay, so this is going to be like fast forwarded at speed pi.
You can play music.
When tightening the bolts, we need to go across rather than around. So you need to go first, second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So basically making sure you evenly distribute the pressure.
Oh, 10.
10
Does it go
Newton
that, does that go that low?
Is it
4
7?
inches.
Yep, looks right. Yeah, 0 plus 7, right? You should be good.
Not 70. As we're going, I'm going to need a new bike.
Snap.
Still too long. Yeah. Look, I think you should use a smaller ratchet till you get finger tight and then continue turning with
I'm
the.
already here, man. Can't be fucked.
It'll catch.
Sure that was 10?
You can have a look.
Ding. Nope. Ding. Wait. Don't tighten completely. Go around and come back to it.
Here it is.
Huh?
Did you hear it?
I didn't. Did you?
Yeah. Yeah. It's done it.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, it's getting a bit tight for me.
I don't trust him, mate.
No.
No, I don't like him at all.
I mean, the first few times I was really finicky about them, but now I just hand tighten everything to how I feels good.
Yeah.
Or the axle just give it a
I
kick.
think that impact drive will probably get about 5 maximum.
Really?
Yeah. Like if you sit there going, it's,
Really?
yeah. They're not designed for it. It's not a no.
Bro, that was not good. That snapped clean off.
I thought I had it.
That's gone. Fuck. I'm fucked. Alright, so my bike's not moving though. Let me get my screw extractors.
You have any? Okay, then yeah.
I thought I heard it. You know where I said bang? I thought I heard it. It worked.
I don't trust that anymore.
Tushar has snapped one bolt off.
Excuse me, Davin's torque wrench has.
Yeah,
I was applying mechanical advantage.
Davin's torque wrench.
$200 in torque wrench.
Yeah, I will do
Davin's torque
You're
wrench.
still going to stop when it goes.
Okay, so Davin's torque wrench smuggled itself into Tushar's hand and forced him to snap the bolt. It's the torque wrench's fault, not Davin's, not
I
Tushar's.
have to drill this first. Alright, Davin, what do you reckon? What sort of bit would you put in here? Get your expertise while we're here. 3 mil?
3 mil max. I think 2 mil will be better.
Careful.
This is the bit I hate.
If only I had a drill press.
Is it center punch?
I've got a center punch.
Yep. Oh, is it loose?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. You get a small flat screwdriver, you probably be able to get it. He's got it, it's coming out.
Is it? That's a relief. Gosh.
Where's those pointy nose?
Is that a smile we see on your face, Tushar?
It's not. It's a look of resigned sadness and embarrassment that I'm on camera. Alright, do not use a torque wrench. Use your hand. You can feel it. It's better.
You'll go with that. A couple more threads, you'll get it.
The pliers might help now.
Screwdriver is flat bit. It's pointy. Well, good thing it's
Gentle, not too much pressure, and calm.
calm.
Yeah.
If I hear the word calm, I might rip this entire bolt out. That's not. Might have enough for fingers.
Ah, there. Too much for fingers.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna roll now.
Yeah. So,
You're one lucky man.
that's an interesting way of looking at it.
Well, you know, I snapped some off and I had to get a whole new,
Are you serious?
Yeah.
not in here,
Oh.
in my triple degree,
Yep.
and I had to get a
The new one?
So you might, with the new one, since it's shorter, you might need to press the spring by hand a little bit.
You've already done it.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you got the new one in?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, then the 5mm doesn't even matter.
Well, yeah. If my bike blows up, I'll blame it on that 5 mil bolt.
You might want to use two of the shorter ones on opposite ends just to balance it if you want.
How's that gonna make a difference? Is that just gonna make 2 weak points instead of 1?
Yeah, but it's at least the weak points are balanced around the circle, right? You know what I mean, right? It's
Really?
like
It'd be like two grams different. So when it's spinning around really fast, you get a little bit of vibration.
Don't
Because-
fuck it.
because
Don't
it's
troll
out.
me. Don't troll me.
But then again, I've seen that front side and I've seen the way you ride. You'll be fine.
that's a long way to go with.
Okay.
Use a power driver.
The impact driver.
Yeah.
Let me take this.
Power driver.
Power-
Not, that's not impact
It's
driver.
a drill, mate.
Impact driver there.
Oh, that's just a
Stop
drill.
calling it a power driver.
It's just
Wait,
a
so
drill.
what do I have?
Just a drill.
Really?
Yes.
It's not a power driver.
No.
What is a power driver? It's like a Power Ranger or something?
What is this power drive thing?
Please,
So-
it's hurting my OCD.
Yeah. There's an impact driver and there's a drill.
And a drill, yeah. The drill has a hammer drill setting too, which is like a worse version of that.
Oh, so I just have a power drill. That's it. Cordless drill. That's it.
I
Oh,
cordless drill.
There we go.
This is why I keep laughing at you.
I've barely gone through like 1/3 of my bowl. Yeah.
Finish the whole thing, mate. Take it home. That is beyond pathetic.
Five mouthfuls and I'm done.
Take it home,
This
guys.
tastes amazing though, yeah.
I can't eat it.
It's very
I can't eat it.
The only reason I'm eating it is because it's so tasty, but not because I'm hungry. Nachos, a clutch. Did you put the O-ring on the cover or on the bike itself?
Cover.
The cover.
It has to go on the cover. It's got little tabs and the
To hold it in?
Yeah.
well, not
Okay.
tabs, but they're just like to seat it properly.
6. I'll need a chuff off before I get in trouble with the little missus.
What time did you tell her you'll be back?
What is this?
I said I'll be home around 8,
And now it's?
7:30. I just saw a traffic phone. Hi, Alison. Traffic was really bad. Can you see it? Look at it.
Where does this bolt go?
That presses the button. It's not a bolt, it just
Oh.
presses the switch.
I'm just gonna hook this. bad boy on.
You didn't turn it, did you?
What do you mean?
The switch bolt?
Huh?
No.
Okay, then you're fine. How hard could it be? Because I don't remember struggling so much with the spring.
Just makes me think it might be easier to do the.
Why don't you just do the spring first and try to bolt this on?
Oh yeah, you're getting it. Go down a bit. Yeah. Easy, mate. Easy. Is that
What's
bolt?
underneath? Oh, now I remember what I did. I had to press
That's
this.
smart. That's really smart. Because the panniers sit here.